Alright guys, you're seeing time-lapse video. That took me, I don't know, 20 minutes. 2 good screwdrivers and a big butt. You can do them all yourself. Still gotta get them balanced, but they are mounted. Let's put some air in them. I wonder how mad Bailey and Justin would be if I just pulled it out and put them on. Like that, they're done, they own. Okay, I don't know if I'll be in trouble or not, but I went over the forgiveness over permission and I put them on. It's looking good. They need a good polish, but it looks pretty darn good on there. I think Bailey's gonna be happy. I'm happy. We gotta get this boy back on some bogs. What's everyone say? Huh? Leave a comment down there. Let's tell them. Say boggers for life. 15s. I love it. Looks good. So Justin just called and said he was almost home. I don't know if oh snap. Hey yo.
What did you do?
What do you mean what I do?
Oh my gosh, I knew you were putting them on the wheels, but I ended
What?
up putting it on the truck.
I put them on what truck? Oh, those.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I did that.
Holy shit. Well, she on bogs now. I didn't know he was putting them on, but they're on it. It looks good. So now, next plan of attack. As you see, they need a very bad polish. They got all kinds of oxidation and just all kinds of crap going on with them. They're really dull. If you come to this side, as you've probably seen in a little bit of footage we just took,
What's in the garage?
a couple other bad mammoth jamas stored inside for a show coming up. That's
Tomorrow.
why I get these polished. So
Tomorrow, Summit Racing, right?
yeah, first one of the year. So this side you see is already somewhat polished. Huge difference. They actually have somewhat of a shine to them. Dad actually started on them just to see how much they'd be able to clean up. But actually, what we're gonna do instead of doing them on the truck, instead of working around the lug nuts and everything, we're gonna jack up the back, take the back two off, do them off the truck, throw them on, then come to the front and do one at a time. So we're gonna take these off, get them all polished up, get it washed up, tire shined up, and be ready for your show tomorrow. So we'll probably wet sand them with 1000 grit and then go straight to
1 grit.
right. So we're gonna take this Mother's Mag and aluminum polish. Works very good on this kind of stuff. So we're gonna get to sanding, we're gonna get to polishing, and we're gonna get to showing tomorrow. So let's do it. That looks a little better, huh?
I think so.
Holy crap. So this back one's actually the worst one. If you come in close, you can kind of see like some nicks here and there.
Yeah, it looks good. See?
Yeah, right.
I can't see any
From
nicks.
back there, you'll never know. But there is some like gouges and scratches in it. But I mean, if you look at the front one compared to that, huge difference. Bailey's at work right now. She don't even know we're doing these. She's gonna show up. And
That's a brushed look right there. Is that what we're calling that?
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Brushed, polished.
Yeah, that's insane. But all right, time for the front.
Hey,
After
I'm hungry.
After lunch. I'm hungry too.
We just use Powerball on here. Sometimes just battery powered stuff don't work. Sometimes you just need a good hand job here.
Oh my gosh.
Whenever you're ready, you can go ahead and cut up that beautiful purple bumper.
Bailey, if you're watching this, close your eyes.
She's not here, so.
No.
This is not good.
She pulls in and we're
Chopping her bumper.
hello.
Don't ask questions.
Definitely don't look under the front of it because we just made it bleed. The wheels look okay?
They look pretty good.
That's warm, son. Oh, there's Axel. Hi, Axel.
Bro. There's some logs right there, too. Dang, dude.
I gotta put the thingy back in.
Good now.
Yeah, we're good now.
Ta-da! All done. Axle looks like he bruised. Wow, look at that shine. Well, are you happy with him?
Yeah.
That's good. Cleaned up real nice. A couple spots we had to sand with 600 grit and then follow up with 1000 grit, but man, they came out amazing. Huge difference from before. Actually, have a shine, they match a chrome step. Looking nice and pretty. We got first show of the year tomorrow, so we wanted to get them all nice and sand and polished for that. This will be kind of the reveal show on the 37s. So, looking very spicy. We got the other Broncos in here. Get your butt off my bumper. Oh,
Ain't
my.
it a bumper?
Anyways, we got these other turds stored in here. Even though they're covered in dust, kind of give a nice little wipe down before we go. But come park Bailees over there, nice and clean overnight.
Yeah, that one's gonna stay outside. Love you guys, love you kids.
Thanks. Silver one's usually parked there, but someone needs new turbos after 100,000 miles. We're not gonna talk about who, but ready for a show tomorrow. Looking good. So, thanks guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Maybe someday we'll do something to his truck, because we have not posted anything about his. I will say, he did put a new blue top steering gearbox in there. So that is fixed. Mine is also fixed. I just put the leaf spring hangers and shackles in here. My new color match shocks and my new gas tank straps. So they're all running and driving now. So we're all good to go. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.